Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am going to let you know right off the jump, or right off the back. I'm gonna let you guys know right away that you are gonna hate me today, or maybe just have a strong dislike, because we're just gonna be extending, opening, lengthening, and just hurting. But we're gonna breathe through it and we're gonna do okay. So, you know the drill. Grab a yoga mat. If you need some, I don't think you'll need some yoga blocks, but in case you believe you do, grab some yoga blocks. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so right away, we are just going to extend our legs in front of us, and we are going to grab the back of our feet and just hold here. If you are able to grab the back of your feet, go ahead and pull them up so that your heels are off the ground, so you can feel a deeper stretch in the calf and the hamstring. Put them down, pull them back up, pull them down, and pull them back up again. Let's spread those legs. Ooh. Okay, so we are going to take it down the middle. Again, we're going to work our way down there. Guys, I'm feeling tight. I can't even lie. But we are going to take it down the middle, bring it forward, hold there, breathe, and then walk it over to the left. And try to bring your nose to your knee. Great, bring it back to the center. Come to the other side. You'll probably feel like a stretch on the side as well when you're doing this, totally normal, and also helping you get more flexible as well. Again, nose to knee. Alrighty. Bring it down the center and just kind of hollow out your back and then come forward. Again, hollow out your back and then come forward. Come to your elbows. Hold it here. Okay, come a little further. A little further. And let's go all the way, guys, if possible. Whew! That felt wonderful. All right, bring it in. Shake it out. Now, this is going to be a pretty quick class. I'm actually looking for my phone so I could do a timer here. We are going to just allow our legs to fall open. I'm going to put on some really nice music. We're going to breathe and expect it to not necessarily hurt, but just to be a little uncomfortable. And then we'll just breathe through it and get closer and closer and closer to the ground until we're 180, looking beautiful. So give me 1 second, let me get my phone, let me start the timer, and get to a wall or some surface where you can just allow your legs to just fall open. Give me 1 sec here. Alrighty guys, come on, let's get to the wall. Ugh. My legs are pretty long, so I'm gonna try not to hit this. Okay. Now let me put my timer on. If I could find it, would be absolutely lovely. Oh, there we go. Alrighty, and we're gonna go for 5 minutes starting now. Remember guys, keep breathing. Check in with your body. Are you scrunching up your face? Are you holding tension in your hips? Because you don't want them to drop any further and possibly cause you some discomfort. Are you tying up your hands really tight, putting them in fists? Or are you just breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth? We are already 2.5 minutes in, guys. Already almost done. Your feet and hips should naturally just start falling away or falling deeper into that straddle, just because gravity is taking over and has no choice but to open up those legs a little bit deeper, which is what we want. You guys are doing great. You have 1.5 minutes left. want to challenge yourself, try to bring your legs down a little bit further as well. We got about 30 more seconds, guys. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Oh yeah, that hurts. Alright guys, bring those legs up slowly. Oh, you know I'm struggling with you guys. Just hold your legs up. Whew. We're not done yet. You guys are gonna hate me some more. So now what we're gonna do is just bam, bam, and open those legs. But we're gonna let them fall a little bit deeper. So we're gonna do 10 more. And then we are going to allow our hips to sink again, only for 3 minutes, and we'll be done, I promise. I think we're on 6, so 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, guys, get back on that wall, extend, shake them out if necessary. Whew. We got 3 minutes, guys. Get back on the wall and let us go in 3, 2, 1. This is the home stretch, guys. Just breathe through it. I swear, this is it. Whoa! I don't know about you guys, but I feel like the time's going by so much slower this time around. I'm really starting to feel it. Let go, hips, let go. Woo! Okay guys, we are almost done. We are on the last minute. You got this. I don't know if you just heard the airplane go by. I live near an Air Force base, so airplanes are just a part of our life. Okay, challenge yourself. We got 15 more seconds. Push those legs down. Whoa. And here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay. Guys, I'm dying. Okay. Okay, bring your legs together. Oh my god, this hurts so bad. Okay, bring those knees in. Come over to a fetal position. Come on up. I know you guys probably hate me. I hate myself more, to be very honest. I can't wait till I can look back at these videos and be like, oh my god, remember when doing a straddle was a struggle for you? You know, but we're just gonna go through this. We will get our straddles. We're gonna keep on track. But we are done, like I promised. I hope you guys had a good time with me here. Keep doing these stretches as before, like with the splits flexibility challenge. When it came to the front splits, I would definitely suggest doing this 4 to 5 times a week minimum. Keep coming back. I'm going to keep putting out videos. I feel like I'm getting closer to my straddle, but obviously until I'm 180 or beyond, I'm not going to give myself too many pats on the back. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, if you liked it, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, I will see you guys next week. I hope you guys have a great day, a great week. Keep stretching. We will get these straddles. Mwah. See you guys later. Bye.